Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make a savory cake. So let's get started.
For this, we need 3 eggs, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, 100 ml milk, 50 gram plus 2 tablespoon of cheddar cheese, 50 grams of parmesan cheese, few basil leaves, 80 grams of dried tomatoes, 150 grams of feta cheese and 100 grams of olives. Now for the recipe, first for lining the 8 by 4 by 2.5 inch cake tin, add oil at the bottom and sides of the cake tin and place the baking paper on top of it and keep it aside. Next, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius to a conventional mode, that is top and bottom heat. Now for the dry ingredients, in flour bowl add baking powder, pepper and salt. Whisk this and put it aside. Now for the wet mix, in a bowl add eggs and whisk. To this add oil and milk and whisk again. Next add parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, olives, dried tomatoes, feta cheese and basil leaves and mix. Next, sift the dry ingredients into this wet mixture and mix using a spatula. Mix it using cut and fold method, that is, you cut the batter from the middle and then fold and then rotate the bowl. This ensures that everything is mixed. Mix only until you can't see any dry flour. If you overmix it, it will turn into bread and not a cake. Transfer this batter into the cake pan. Next, smooth the surface of the cake pans and tap it to remove any air bubbles. Add remaining cheddar cheese on top of this. Transfer the cake tins into the oven and bake it for 55 minutes. Do not open the oven before 40 minutes, otherwise the cake will collapse. You can check when the cake is done by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean or if it has few dry crumbs, then it is done. If it comes out wet, then bake for some more time. Leave this cake to cool down in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, remove the cake from the tin and let it cool on the cooling rack for at least an hour or until the cake is at room temperature. Next, cut the cake slices. You can see how incredible the cake looks with these amazing fillings.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.